Hey guys, I'm back with a math lesson today. We've been talking about money and different coins, and so today we're going to use those coins and we're going to use pennies to count on. When we count on, how much do we count on by? One. So how much is a penny worth? One. So this is going to be very, very similar to our strategy of scooping up the number and counting on. Okay, we're going to do basically the same thing, but with money. So you probably will need something to write with, something to write on. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, what is this coin? Yeah, this is a quarter. It even says that. Let me get my little highlighter right here. Do you see that? $quarter. So it is worth how much? 25 cents, yeah. Now I've added what? A penny. So I've got a quarter plus a penny. Now, how do I add those? A quarter's worth 25, so I'm going to scoop up what? 25. I thought I might write it, but I think we're just going to use our hands for right now. So 25, 25, 26. I'm only going one more. So what is it? 25, 26. Yeah, 26 cents. All right. So if I have a dime plus 3 pennies, this is when you're going to need your whiteboard or paper. I've got a dime and 3 pennies. How much is a dime worth? Yeah, 10 cents. So let's go ahead and draw this. So we've got 10 plus our 3 pennies. So what's our number sentence? Yeah, 10 plus 3, I made my line way too long, equals something. So let's scoop up 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. What's 10 plus 3? What's a dime plus 3 pennies? 13 cents. Nice job. So here's kind of what that looks like. Let me hide myself so you can see all of the pennies. So we've got 1 dime plus 3 pennies, and we just drew it and wrote a number sentence to match, right? Let's try another one. Ooh, now we've got a quarter and 3 pennies. How much was a quarter worth? Do you guys remember? We just had it. I have 4 coins, so I'm going to draw my 4 circles. A quarter's worth 25. And then I have 3 pennies. What are pennies worth? 1. So I have this. What's my number sentence? Tell me if I'm correct. 25 plus 111. No, but I have 3 ones. Oh, they're ones. So this should be a 3, not 111. Oh, goodness. This is why I need you guys. You keep me thinking. All right, so let's scoop up 25, and then we're going to go 3 more. So 25, 25, 26, 27, 28. What is our number? 28. My 2 got a little weird. Good job. All right, let's try one more. So they've drawn it for us. Let's just write our number sentence. So we've got something plus something. Oh, you guys can't see. Let me hide myself. All right. So how many pennies do we have? Let's start with our pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got something plus 6 equals something else, right? Now, First, we got to figure out what these are. What are these? They're smaller than a penny in size. If you said that those are dimes, kiss your brain because you are correct. All right. So how many dimes do we have? 3. Who remembers what a dime is worth? If you said 10 cents, you are absolutely correct. So we have 3 tens. What is 3 tens? Count for me. 10, 10, 20, 30. So our number sentence should be 30 plus 6 equals something. Let's scoop up 30. 30, 31, 36. Good job, guys. So that's what that was. All right, let's try some more. Maybe. There we go. All right, so what is this one called now? Yeah, that's our nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5. How many pennies do we have? So let's scoop up 5. Count on 4. 5 plus 4 equals... Dun da da! Did you get it right? So I kind of led you through this, but why did we start with 5? Yeah, it's easier to count on from a number than to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 5. Here we started with the number that we knew. Yeah, and then we added our ones to it. All right, can you do this? Go ahead and push pause. Do this one and this one. Actually, let me give you 3. There we go. Do these 3 and then come back and we'll see if you got them right. All right, guys, let's check your work. So you had 3 problems. The first one gave you a nickel plus 3 pennies, so 5 plus 3 equals 8. The second one, they put your pennies first, so I wrote it that way. 3 plus a quarter's worth 25. I can still scoop up 25. Even though it comes second, I can still start with this one. So I can still go 25, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28. Oop, this one got erased. And then the last one was 25 plus 4 equals 29. How did you guys do? Did you get them all right? Were there a couple that you got wrong? Go ahead, let me know how you're doing so I can come back and help you. Oop. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, so here they've given us a dime and some pennies, but they've kind of mixed them all up. So how could we regroup these so that it would be easier than going 1 plus 10 plus 4? I lost my eraser, guys. If you're in my class, you're probably saying, yeah, you do that a lot. So yeah, I can scoot my pennies all together and my dime by itself. So what would my number sentence be? Go ahead, write it down and then show me. All right, let's see if you got this. So this is what we would start with, 10 plus 1 plus 4. But if we add all our pennies together, what's 1 plus 4? 5. So we could even simplify it further and say 10 plus 5. Either one works. What is 10 plus 5? Good job, 15. I just did that. All right, so here's these two. I want you guys to do this, come back, and we'll check your work. All right, so here's what I did. I kind of drew it. So we had our 2 pennies, we had a dime, and then we had 2 more pennies. And so I circled them so that I could kind of group my pennies all together. So I had a dime, which is worth 10, plus 4 pennies. What's 10 plus 4? 14. This one, I had a quarter, and then I had 2 pennies over here and 3 pennies over here. What's 2 plus 3? 5. That's how many pennies I had. So scoop up 25 with me. We're going to count 5 more. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So what's your last answer? 30. Good job. All right. You guys did a great job with this. You have this in your packet if you're in my class or go to my school. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. You can always use money and just count it, see what you get. Remember, start with your big coin and then add on your pennies, okay? You guys did a great job. I will see you next time. Bye.